In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simultaneously charge 4 lithium batteries with the same cell count that were discharged in 4 separate flights using only one charger. For this example, I'm using the Extrema lithium charger with watt meter, fully decked out with 4 balancers. The trick to doing this is to plug the batteries into the charger in parallel. You see here I simply gang together 4 male Dean's connector with some heavy 12-gauge copper wiring left over from a house wiring project. I have also insulated the wires with a bunch of hot glue to prevent accidental shorts. A balancing charger is also important to make sure that all the cells stay balanced. And one of the nice things about the Extrema charger is that the watt meter makes it very simple to do a quick check on each battery separately. This is important because if you accidentally mix up a fully charged pack with a fully discharged battery, a very high current will flow from the charged battery to the discharged one. That surge may possibly damage your battery or the connector. So be real careful to make sure that all your batteries are within 5% of each other. If you time your flights or you fly until the ESC shuts down the motor, then all your batteries will be pretty close. Okay, to get started, we put the Extrema in the watt meter mode to be able to read each battery voltage. A voltmeter with the same style connector on your pack will work just as well here. Connect the battery one at a time and measure the voltage of each pack. They are all around 11 volts here, so we want to make sure that they're within half a volt of each other. Okay, so we unplug that one and we measure the next, and so on. And we keep doing this for all 4 batteries. Okay, now that we're sure that we don't have a surprise pack that we forgot to discharge, we can start to put them back in parallel. Since we've taken precautions, the hookup should be uneventful. The slight differences in voltage will equalize in just a few minutes' time. If you'd like to see this for yourself, simply plug and unplug the second battery a few times while you're watching the first one. Eventually the lower voltage pack will go up a little bit as the higher voltage pack comes down as it charges up the lower one. So because they're hooked up in parallel, we are forcing them all to be exactly the same. And that's what makes this trick work. Okay, now that we have them all hooked up in parallel, all we have to do is connect the balancers and start the charge. If you want to charge at the normal 1C charge, you must remember that the parallel pack has a capacity equal to the sum of all the packs. For example, 4 1000 milliamp hour batteries in parallel are actually one large 4000 milliamp pack. The cool thing is that the batteries can be different capacities and they still add up. This is because they are in parallel and our wiring forces them all to stay in the exact same voltage. Since charging lithium batteries is terminated by voltage, then you are assured that they all take in only as much current as they need. The result is that they all end up fully charged together at the same time. So for this charger we have 2 1000 milliamp hour packs and 2 2000 milliamp packs, so we set the charger to the total sum of 6000 milliamps so that we can expect this pack to be done in about 1 hour. So we set up the charger, start it, and wait till it's done. Okay, the pack is done. We can take them off and fly them separately and start the whole process again. We hope you found this tip useful. Play it over and over if you don't understand anything so you won't mess up. For more information on the powerful Extrema charger, you can go to www.theextrema.com.